In this video I will discuss with you now act number 1 and scene 3. In the previous video we come to know many suitors have come to woo Portia, and but Portia didn't like any one of them, and moreover they refused to go for casket system after hearing the conditions of casket, and finally they made up their mind to leave the bailment. And then comes Prince of Morocco. He announces that he is coming on the particular day. Now in this scene, act 1 scene 3, uh, Bassanio will approach to Shylock for the money he needs for going to Balmont to woo Portia. See, the scene takes place in a public place, Venice. Enter Bassanio and Shylock. Who all are there? Bassanio and Shylock. Shylock 3,000 decades well. Shylock, now he is, remembering, he is, talking to Bassanio that Bassanio needs 3,000 ducats. Bassanio, yes sir, for 3 months. For 3 months. He needs money. He will return the money within 3 months. Shylock, for 3 months. Well, Bassanio, for the which, as I told you, Antonio shall be bound. The money will be paid by Antonio. Bassanio has approached Shylock for 3,000 ducats. This money he needs to go to Balmont to woo Portia. It was told to you that Antonio had no money at that moment, and so he asked him to go to anyone in Venice, take money from him. The money will be paid by Antonio. Shylock, Antonio shall become bound. Well, Bassanio, may you stead me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Will you please me? Will you do this favor to me? May I have your answer? Clear. Now beta, what happened here? Bassanio needs 3,000 ducats, and he has come to Shylock for the money. Then in the next page number 44, Shylock 3,000 ducats for 3 months, and Antonio bound. Shylock is repeating these words to make sure whether this money will be paid back to him or not. Bassanio, your answer is that. What is your reply to my request? Shylock, Antonio is a good man, actually a reliable man. Antonio is a reliable. Shylock actually is he is enemy to Antonio. He doesn't like Antonio, and Shylock says that Antonio is a good man, reliable man. Have you heard any imputation on to the contrary? Bassanio is asking to Shylock if he had heard any allegation to the contrary. Contrary is here Antonio. Oh, no. My meaning in saying that he is a good man is to have you understand me. Means I mean to say he is a reliable man and he is sufficient. Yet his means are in supposition. Yet his ships are in danger. Supposition. He hath an argosy bound to Tripolis. He hath one ship bound to Tripolis. His one ship is going to Tripolis country, another to West Indies. And I understand more upon the Rialto. I come to know from Rialto. What is Rialto? A stock exchange where all the merchants meet and set their rate of interest. So this question will come to you that what is Rialto? Rialto is a Venetian stock exchange where all the merchants of different countries set their merchandise, rate of interest, and many more things. Now Shylock has come to know from Rialto that he hath a third at Mexico. His another ship is going to Mexico, fourth for England, and other ventures he hath squandered abroad. Means Antonio ships have squandered all abroad. His ships are going abroad, and other ventures he hath squandered abroad. But ships are but boats. Ships are only made up of boats, planks. Sailors are men. there be land rats and water rats, and water thieves and land thieves. He means to say, undoubtedly he has many ships, but ship, anything can happen to ships. These can be harmed by pirates, land rats, okay, or land thieves, I mean pirates. And then there's a peril of water, danger of water, wind, and rocks. The man is not withstanding sufficient. He is reliable, yet his means are in danger. So the man is not withstanding sufficient. He is not withstanding sufficient. 3,000 ducats, I think I may take his bond. He is doubtful whether he should give money to Bassanio or not for binding Antonio. Bassanio, be assured you may. Rest assured that you may. I will be assured I may, and that I may be assured. I will be think me, may I speak with, and let me think over it, and let me talk to Antonio. Bassanio, if it please you in to dine with us, if you want to meet Antonio, come and dine with us, have dinner with us. Shylock, yes, to smell pork, to eat of the habitation which your prophet the Nazareth conjure the devil into. He said, yes, why to smell pork? Shylock, being a Jew, will not accept the offer to dine together with a Christian. So, yes, to smell a pork. What? To smell pork? To eat the meat of the animal into which Jesus of Nazareth put the devil. He says, I will not eat pork. You people, you Christians, eat pork. And the animal in which Jesus of Nazareth had put devil. So, yes, to smell pork, to eat of the habitation which your prophet the Nazareth conjure the devil into. I can buy with you, I can sell with you, I can talk with you, walk with you, and so following, but I will not eat with you. Shylock says he will never eat with Christians because Christians eat pork, and their prophet Nazareth had put devil into the pork, so he will not eat pork. He will not drink with them and never pray with them. What news on the Rialto? Who is he comes here? Then beta he asked about the news from the Rialto. Again, what is Rialto here? Venetian Stock Exchange, and someone is coming near to them. Bassanio, this is Senior Antonio. Who has come here? Senior Antonio, Lord Antonio has come. Shylock, how like a fawning publican he looks. He looks like a funny tax collector, flattering tax collector. Actually, Antonio has been giving money to people without interest, and whereas Shylock has been giving money with interest. That's why now here people like Antonio and hates Shylock. That's the reason Shylock hates Antonio. Now he turns aside, he gets aside and asks and calls him a funny, means flattering tax collector. I hate him for he's a Christian. He says he's muttering himself, talking to himself. He hates Antonio because he's a Christian, but more for that in low simplicity, but more because in foolishness. He lends money without gratis. He lends money without rate of interest, and brings down the rate of usance, and brings down the rate of interest in Venice. If I can catch him once upon the hip, if I catch him, if I get one chance to ridicule him or punish him, I will feed upon the ancient grudge. I will satisfy my ancient grudge I bear him, which he has been bearing. He hates our sacred nation. Antonio hates our sacred nation, Judaism, and he rails even there where merchants most to congregate, and he hates, he abuses me. He abuses me where all the merchants meet. On me, my bargains, my well-known thrift, which he calls interest, cursed be my tribe if I forgive him. He says, this man Antonio abuses me, my race, my religion, my people, my way of earning money. So I will not spare him. If I spare him, my race will curse me. Clear बच्चे?